Alright, let's look at composition of functions. Here we have the composition of f and g. This is f circle g of x is equal to f of g of x. Okay, it's kind of like this function here, f, that we have. F of x equals 2x plus 1. Now, if we wanted to evaluate f of 3, what would we do here? We would take the 3 and plug it in for x. So that would give us 2 times 3 plus 1, which equals 6 plus 1, which equals 7. So this is the same thing, but instead of plugging in a number, we're actually going to plug a function in for x. So let's take a look at this example here. We have f of x is equal to 2x plus 1 and g of x is equal to 5x plus 7. So we want to find f circle g of x. So that is equal to f of g of x, which is equal to f of, now the g of x, this g of x, in the place of g of x, it's f of x plus 7. So f of g of x is equal to f of 5x plus 7. So f of 5x plus 7, we're going to take the 5x plus 7 and we're going to plug it in here for x. So that's going to give us 2 times x, and in the place of x we put 5x plus 7 plus 1, and then we simplify. So we get 10x plus 14 plus 1. We have to distribute the 2, and that gives us the 10x plus 14. So this is equal to 10x plus 15. And this is our answer. Alright, let's take a look at another problem. We have f circle g of x is f of g of x, just like in the last problem. And we have g circle f of x is g of f of x. So let's find f circle g of x. So that is equal to f of g of x, which is equal to, okay, so now we're going to take x plus 3 and put it in and replace g of x with that. So this is f of x plus 3 is equal to, now in the place of x we're going to plug in x plus 3. So this is x squared, so that's x plus 3 squared plus 2 times x, and in the place of x we're going to put x plus 3, and then we have to simplify this. Now remember, this x plus 3 squared is x plus 3 times x plus 3 plus, and then we're going to distribute the 2x plus 6, and then we're going to FOIL this out. X times x is x squared, x times 3 is 3x, 3 times x is 3x, so 3x plus 3x is 6x plus 9 plus 2x plus 6. And then we combine like terms, so we get x squared plus 6x plus 2x is 8x, and then 9 plus 6 is 15. And there's our answer. Now let's take a look at this G circle f of x. Well, G circle f of x is equal to G of f of x. So this is equal to G of f of x, and f of x is x squared plus 2x. So now G of x squared plus 2x, we're going to take x squared plus 2x and we're going to plug it in G for x. So this is going to give us x, and in the place of x we plug in this function x squared plus 2x plus 3. And there's no terms to combine, no like terms, so here's our final answer. Alright, let's take a look at some more problems. We have f of x is equal to 3x minus 2, and g of x is equal to x minus 4. So we have f circle g of x is equal to f of g of x, which is equal to f of, and g of x is x minus 4 over 3. So now we're going to take x minus 4 over 3 and we're going to plug it in for x. So this is going to give us 3 times x, and in the place of x we put x minus 4 over 3 minus the 2. And so when we simplify this, the 3's cancel and we're left with x minus 4 minus 2. And so this gives us x minus 6. And there's our answer. Now let's find G circle f of x. So this is equal to G of f of x, which is equal to G of, and f of x is 3x minus 2. So that's G of 3x minus 2. Now we're going to plug 3x minus 2 in for x here. So this is x. So this is going to be 3x minus 2 minus 4 over 3. So this is going to give us 3x minus 6 over 3. And then we can simplify this. 3 goes into all of these. So we're left with a 1, and a 2. That's a 1 there. And so our answer would be x minus 2 over 1, which is equal to x minus 2. Now let's take a look at one more problem. We have f of x is equal to x cubed minus 9. G of x is equal to the cube root of x plus 9. So we have f circle g of x is equal to f of g of x, which is equal to f of, and g of x is the cube root of x plus 9. So that's going to be f of cube root of x plus 9. So now I'm going to take the cube root of x plus 9 and I'm going to plug it in for x. I'm going to take this and plug it in here for x. So I have x cubed, and in the place of x I'm going to put the cube root of x plus 9, and that's cubed. Okay, see, x cubed, I'm plugging this in for x, and it's cubed, minus 9. So the cube root of x plus 9 cubed is just x plus 9, and then minus 9. And so here I get x. Now let's look at G circle f of x. So that's going to be G of f of x, which is equal to G of, and f of x is x cubed minus 9. That's x cubed minus 9. So this is equal to, in the place of x, I'm going to put x cubed plus 9. So I get the cube root of x, and in the place of x, I'm going to put x cubed minus 9 plus 9. And so I get negative 9 plus 9 is 0, so that leaves me with the cube root of x to the third, and the cube root of x to the third is x. And that's all of this video.